Living systems are dominated by the chemistry of carbon, as is apparent from the data in the chart that's shown here. Whether we're talking about ancient biomass, crude petroleum, or tissue that's derived from plants or humans in which water has been removed, it's apparent that on a mass percent basis, carbon is the dominant element. The uniqueness of carbon in living systems really only becomes apparent when we examine the elemental composition in non-living matter, for example in the Earth's crust. From the plot that you can see here, we'll find that silicon, oxygen, and aluminum dominate the Earth's crust, and we have to zoom in really far, and it's even difficult to find, unless we swing it all the way around, that carbon is even present on any significant degree. If we examine the elemental composition of the universe, what we find in this case is that the predominant elements are hydrogen and helium, and once again, carbon is almost nowhere to be found on this map. It's really only living systems in which there's a significant amount of carbon that's present. I think you can see that if you're interested in living systems, it's the P block of the periodic table where all the action is at. We're going to be especially interested in the second row, the period 2 elements, because that's where carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen are found. There's a couple of third row elements, phosphorus and sulfur, that are important, and of course hydrogen is important as well, and those are the main elements of organic compounds that we'll be studying over the coming year. Where we're going from here is to begin to look at some of the trends in the periodic table. These trends are going to help us understand the organic chemistry, and they're going to play an important role throughout the entire semester.